The heavy rains of the last hours generated the overflow of several rivers, as well as multiple floods in the canton of Turrialba, Cartago, as well as in different cantons of Limon. Several images collected by the Turrialbanos show what happened when the water got into various shops. The flooding of the Colorado and Turrialba rivers caused them to overflow, so the streets were totally flooded. Several people who were in shops, who were quite affected by the events, had to be rescued by the fire department. Some locals reported that at least 5 years ago they did not see a situation of this type because of the rains. The mayor of that Carthaginian canton, Luis Fernando León Alvarado, said that this is the strongest impact of the whole year, so this Thursday afternoon they began to collect data to measure the impact.